Hey guys, I want to do a quick tutorial for how to do domain mapping. Domain mapping is where you can choose your own website address. It doesn't have to be a .housingstorm.com website address. It could be yourname.com or yourpropertyaddress.com or whatever you want.com as opposed to the .housingstorm. So the way that you do that is you go down into, first of all, your plugins, click on install, and you want to make sure that domain mapping is activated. So if I scroll all the way down, it's called WordPress MU domain mapping. We're going to hit activate. This doesn't actually change anything other than just turn the function on. We haven't done any settings yet, so don't worry. Just by hitting that, your website address doesn't change. Then we're going to scroll down to, where is it? It's under Tools. There we go. Domain mapping. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put in, you need to go to GoDaddy or Network Solutions or one of those other places first and register your domain name. So assuming you have it, go ahead and type it in here. So for example, if I did myname.com, I could add that to my list of domains. Now, it's going to ask me that right now this is the current website that I have, and this is checked as my primary domain. If I wanted to, if I was ready to go, I could click this button and set this as my primary domain. Right now I'm not quite ready to do that, so I'm going to leave that. This is how you actually turn the function on. But first, we have to go down and do what it says here. It says, if you want to redirect, you'll need to add a DNS-A record pointing at the IP address of this server. And it gives you these numbers. So go ahead and copy. I'm going to hit Control-C. Now you need to go to your, this is my GoDaddy screen. Sorry, here we go. This is my GoDaddy screen where I have one of the domains that we have, and I just want to show you how we put it in. It has DNS control and it says A record, and here I can click on DNS control and I can edit, and this is where I pasted in those numbers. This is the IP address of our site. I went ahead and pasted that in and hit save. So after doing that, I can go back and I can change gregfielding.com to be the primary domain. I just click this button and we're good to go. And now when you go to gregfielding.com, you're going to be going to your my HousingStorm website, as opposed to my other real estate website with my company where it goes right now. And that's all you do. It's really very simple. Make sure and test it a couple times to make sure it's working. This isn't domain forwarding or anything else that you can do directly with GoDaddy or Network Solutions. This is actually changing the website address from your housingstorm.com site to your other website. To search engines like this is exactly the right way to do it. So anyway, it's a function available to all HousingStorm members. You can use it on your premium websites, your free websites, and you can use it on your virtual property flyers if you wanted to give it an address like 123mainstreet.com or whatever. If you have any questions, go ahead and note them in the forum here below. I know every web domain company like GoDaddy, their settings are all a little bit different. Some are more intuitive than others. Just make sure you're looking for the DNS-A record. So good luck, and let us know if you have any questions.